So this is worksheet number 12. Now we are going to see more things about plants in getting to know plants chapter. This is for 6th class, also for general knowledge. You can see this is worksheet for 11th November 2020. The topic is leaf, structure of leaf. If I zoom into this, see, you have seen, all have seen leaves. I don't think anyone who has not seen leaf, इसको हिंदी में हम पत्ता बोलते हैं, लीफ सबने देखे हैं. उसके कुछ पार्ट्स देखिए, ये पीछे लीफ की डंडी, इसको बोलते हैं पेटियोल. बीच में जो ये लाइन जाती है ऐसे लीफ के, आप एक पत्ता लीजिए, लीफ लीजिए अपने आसपास कहीं भी, अगर वो टूटा हुआ है, नीचे गिरा हुआ तो उठा लीजिए, या फिर पेड़ में लगे हुए को भी छू के देख सकते हैं आप, ट्रीज में. बीच में जो लाइन होती है मोटी सी, दिस इज मिड रिब, दिस इज नोन एज मिड रिब. एंड द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द लीफ, ये पीपल लीफ की तरह है. ऐसी लीव्स अलग अलग तरह के होते हैं, सब प्लांट्स के अपने अपने लीव्स अलग अलग टाइप के होते हैं, जिससे हम पहचान जाते हैं कि ये प्लांट कौन सा है. लीफ से ही पहचानते हैं ना, लीफ से पहचान आ जाती है प्लांट्स की. ये जो साइडों पे ये है, इसको बोलते हैं ब्लेड, ब्लेड. एंड ये बीच में इसके ये ऐसे ऐसे ये जा रही हैं, इनको हम बोलते हैं वेन्स. दीज आर नोन एज वेन्स. जस्ट लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग, अपने आप में हाथों में देखें आप, वेन्स आपको दिखाई देंगी, ऐसी पत्तों में भी वेन्स होती हैं ऐसी. दीज आर नोन एज वेन्स. So these are parts of leaf according to our science knowledge: petiole, midrib, blade, and veins. Okay, you can see by yourself. You can see any leaf from your locality, from your surroundings. You can see leaf, but don't pluck the leaf. If leaf is on the ground, you can pick it up and see, or otherwise you can also see on any plant without plucking. Leaf is a flat, thin and green in color. You know, leaves are green in color. It is called kitchen of food, kitchen of plant. Why the leaf is known as kitchen of plant? You will come to know later that all the plants do photosynthesis, and the food is prepared. Food for the plant is prepared in the leaves, leaves itself. Why it is prepared in leaves? Because leaves have a green colored pigment known as chlorophyll, which is necessary for photosynthesis. That is making food in presence of sunlight. So plants need sunlight for making their food, and the food is of the plants is made in leaves. So therefore leaves are known as kitchen of plant. So petiole, it is stalk. This is stalk of leaf. जो डंडी है लीफ की, उसको petiole बोलते हैं. Lamina या leaf blade, this part, this is leaf blade or lamina. Veins, I have already told you what are veins. Veins here are these lines, these are veins. These lines here are its veins. These lines are, these branches, lines are network of branches from midrib. What is midrib? This middle line, the thicker line between the leaf is known as midrib. So you have seen the structure of leaf. Now we'll come to next topic, leaf venation. There are two types of leaves. In any plant, if you see, there you will find two types of venations, means the veins, how the veins are. This is midrib, you know. Now you can easily know this is midrib. This is petiole. These are blades, sides are blades, and in between these are veins which are coming out of the midrib. Yeah. So there are two types of venations in the leaves. Venation means pattern of veins. How the veins are arranged. These veins, how are these are arranged? You are seeing this. This is like a net. ये जाल की तरह है, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं, जो जाल की तरह है इसको बोलते हैं रेक्टिकुलेट वेनिएशन. If the variation is like this, like people leaf you have seen, or you can see, and this is like the leaf of, if you have seen sugar cane, the leaf of sugar cane is like this. The leaf is not like this, and venation is not like this. Venation is parallel. Let me draw for you, like the banana leaf. The venation, the midrib, the veins are like this. These are parallel. No, they are not forming any network. So it is known as parallel venation. So there are two types of venations in leaves. In any plant, you find leaf, you see its leaf, you will find only one of these, either the parallel venation like this. You can see for the sugarcane leaf, you can see banana leaf, you can see many leaves like this, which contain this type of parallel venation. And you can see people leaf, neem leaf, there you will find the network like this, like a net, जाल की तरह ये ऐसे, ये midrib है, इससे आपकी veins, the veins are out coming out like this, like a net in the leaf. If there is a leaf, suppose this is a leaf, and this is the venation is going like this from the midrib, forming like a net, एक जाल की तरह बना रही है, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं रेटिकुलेट वेनिएशन. Reticulate variation, if it is like this, there is a leaf, suppose like this, and the venation is like this, then it is known as parallel variation. The lines are parallel, the veins are parallel. Only two types of these two types of leaf you will find. There are several plants, but if you look at their leaves, only one of these type of leaves will be in the plant. Either it is reticulate venation, the veins are arranged in a net-like pattern like this, and or in parallel venation, the veins are parallel to one another like this. So you can do a project yourself. Now I have discussed with you that we will discuss later that why leaves are known as the kitchen of plants, because the leaves form make food for the plant. What does the leaf do? Leaves provide the food and air to help a plant stay healthy and grow. Leaves to prepare their foods in the presence of sunlight. Plants में sunlight की presence में they make their food, because leaves contain a green color substance known as chlorophyll. So for this, they use water for making food and carbon dioxide. Water is taken from roots through stem, it reaches the leaves, and carbon dioxide is taken by plants through air. In the later classes, you will see that there are small openings on the body of leaf known as stomata, through which air is exchanged, carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged. So carbon dioxide is taken, water is taken, and chlorophyll is already present in leaf. That is a green color substance or chemical which is present in leaves, which helps in making food in the presence of sunlight. Because it is made in presence of sunlight, is not as photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means making. So making food in presence of light is known as photosynthesis, which is done by leaves. So food is made by the leaves, yeah, or in the leaves, so they are known as kitchen. As you call the portion of house where food is made, it is known as kitchen of house. Similarly, the leaves make food for plant. The food for plant is made in leaves, as they contain green color substance chlorophyll. So they are leaves are also known as kitchen of plants. Now some practice questions. If you can identify this, you can easily identify this is a network of venation. The leaf type of venation in leaf is reticulate venation. So what is this venation? It is reticulate, and here it is the leaf. You see the venation is not from the center, it is like this. They are parallel. This is a parallel venation. If it is coming from center like this, then this is reticulate and this is parallel venation. So here it is written in the photosynthesis process, leaf needs dash, 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 and dash. What does in photosynthesis leaf needs? Water, carbon dioxide, and it needs chlorophyll and sunlight. Four things which are needed for this are let me show you. So here, if you see at the leaf, what the variation is reticulate, जाल जैसी वेरिएशन, इसको हम बोलते हैं रेटिकुलेट वेरिएशन. Then if we see here the second leaf, it is the parallel lines are parallel, so it is known as the veins are parallel, so it is known as parallel variation. Next, what does the plant need? Water. So it is water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and sunlight, because they make food in the presence of sunlight. Next, design made by leaf is called, veins जो डिजाइन आती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? That is known as variation. Variation, by whether it is parallel or reticulate, it is known as variation. So now you can easily see. I hope you all understand